The motor is a 170 cubic inch CI, an aftermarket header, Holly, 1-barrel, brand new carburetor, brand new air cleaner, brand new full system ventilation, electrical, wiring, battery, solenoid. Now this car is running cold now. It'll actually even quiet down even more once it's started. Fan and assembly are working great. Everything is new on this engine. Wiring, starter, solenoids, the wires, plug wires, caps. Very small leak on the header where the joint is at. That will probably be sealed out. Fan assembly is in excellent condition. And the throttle response is. And that is how she slows after she is warmed up. Just a straight, quiet, smooth running motor. But yes, she's running and idling. Very nice motor. Original front assembly. As you can see, no body damage has been done on the rails or fender wells. They are all original and straight. All of the original cuts are there and straight. Never been bent, never been warped, never been damaged. Rear seal for the hood has been removed to replace. It has not been replaced yet. Front grille is in excellent condition. And now she is warmed up, and as you can see, beautiful sounding motor, and she is running. Somebody's gonna love this car. No smoke. Sounds great. Good luck.